how to delete all recent call history on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how you can easily delete all recent call history on your iPhone. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your phone app, then go to the recent option on the bottom, and here you'll be able to see all of your recent call history. Now you'll see edit option on the top left, so tap on it and tap on select. Now you can see the red minus sign appear. So if you want to delete the contacts one by one, then you can just tap on the red sign and you can see the delete option appear. Tap on delete. However, if you want to clear all of it at once, then you can see the clear option on the top right. Tap on it and then tap on clear all recents and all of your call history will be deleted. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.